Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will use only 3 colors: black, pearl white and metallic gold, because I want to see what will happen. And I will do these puddles again, so it will take some time to layer my paints down. And this will be my pattern, and around and black. Gold, metallic gold, and black again. And pearl white again between those puddles, because I like this pattern that this kind of paint layering creates. But we will see what will happen if we will use only these 3 colors. I don't know, maybe I add too much gold. We will see how this will look like. And another one here in between. I will show you some dry results in my live video tomorrow of these paintings that I did last week. So if you want, you can join me at 6 p.m. Eastern time, I think. I don't know about all the zones in the world, so sometimes I don't know if I tell this clearly enough. You can check my last week's live and you will see what time it was. So, not a block, please. But it is. Okay. I hope so. No. See? Whoop. Please go out. I think that this will be the last puddles, last row. I will see how it will look when I will do it and I go to this side again, like always. And I will do just 4 here on the corners, and this will be the last. Gold. And black. And this is it. And now my paper napkin that I will spray with water. And try to lay it down carefully from the middle to the both sides. Please work with me. And I didn't do it quite okay. See, I have some air underneath, but with paper towel or paper napkin it's easier than with plastic, because when you press these air bubbles, air pockets, probably I have to say, will go out. But with your, if you use saran wrap or something like that, you have more problems with it. So let's see. I don't know, I think that this will be just too dark or not. We will see. I'm reusing one of my canvases, so if some of my underneath paint will come up, I can fix it later, so I don't care. As much. Interesting. I lost a lot of my pearl white. Just interesting. I wasn't expecting this. I will torch it and see if maybe some of my white will came through. Maybe I should start with gold and then white, because gold is just take over. See? But otherwise, I think that maybe it's just enough white. Maybe more white will be too much. I don't know. Because it creates this little white like petals or leaves or something, just on some places, not everywhere. Definitely I wasn't expecting this. I was afraid that I will have too much white, and now it's totally opposite. So let me take you for a close-up. I know that you can't see that this is gold now, but when it will dry it will be very shimmery. I didn't get as much lacing as I thought that I would, because you get more lacing when you use transparent colors, and black is opaque color, so maybe that's why. Not maybe, definitely this is one of the reasons. So I'm not sure what to think completely. I don't, again, hate it, but I'm not I don't like it as much that I would say, wow, gorgeous. It's just okay for me, because I was hoping for a little different result. So this is it for today. Don't forget about my live tomorrow. If you want to join me, I will use glue as my pouring medium, and we will see what will happen. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.